Hello, we are going to try something fun. We will guess how many mugs of water are needed to fill this big bucket. This is our bucket and this is our mug. The bucket is much bigger. What do you think? How many mugs of water will fill this bucket? Let's make a smart guess. Could it be 5 or maybe 10? Let's try and find out. Let's start pouring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, almost half, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, that's almost full. Wow, we filled the bucket using 13 mugs of water. We guessed around 10 and the bucket was filled with 13 mugs of water. What was your guess? Were you close to your guess? We can take a smart guess by looking at the sizes. And it's so fun to find out if our guess was right. You can try this too at home. Pick a bucket and a mug and guess how many mugs will it take to fill it. Bye bye.